welcome back to my channel. I'm Tassara and today I'm here with the one and only Mandana Azad. She's actually related to me and she's not my sister, she's my mom. What we will be doing is we're gonna give her a side part with some partial cornrows and we're gonna embellish those cornrows up with some fun colored strings. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna part and section out her hair. So since we're flipping her hair on the left side, we are going to take a diagonal part like this, as you can see. We don't want it to go straight because then having a straight line is gonna look weird. So you always want to curve it at an angle. You guys, maybe I should record my mom all the time because she doesn't talk. She's on camera.
You want me to talk?
Yeah. I mean, you don't have to if you don't want to. But if you want to, you can talk. Wow, Mom, your hair got so thick and soft. Is it because I blow dried it like this?
I'm afraid to talk to Sarah. Just do it.
Wait, Mommy. Okay, so how we're gonna part the section off to braid, turn this way, please. So we're gonna take, so this is how we part her hair, as you can see. And what we're gonna do is we are gonna section it off. We're gonna take a radial section from the corner of this part, bring your head down, from here, and we're gonna bring it to the top, the back of the ear, like this. Isn't that a beautiful part? Beautiful. What we're gonna do with the rest of the hair is we're gonna put the rest of the hair and clip it. I don't like to use a clip. I'm gonna use a hair tie because I like it to be firm. And we're gonna put the rest of the hair away so it doesn't interfere with our braids. Wait, just kidding, I'm gonna clip it.
How long is this gonna take?
It's gonna take about 5 hours. We're stuck here for a long time. I'm just kidding. This hairstyle takes about an hour to do. Maybe, if that. I don't know. Maybe it'll be quicker. Some days I'm quick and some days I'm not.
I don't have much hair, so I think it's gonna be quick.
So, now that we sectioned off the hair, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna use my favorite hair product, and that is the Roots Natural Edge Control. Perfect for great hold and has no flakes, which I love because some products do get flaky. And it helps me grip the hair better. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take her hair like this, and I'm gonna take some product and I'm gonna apply it all around her hairline.
Smells good.
And this will help me get a good grip of her hair. It'll help me section out the hair better. And then I'm just gonna take the product and comb it throughout the rest of her hair. I don't think I've ever seen your hair like this.
Like what?
Unless you did this in on vacation. Like the style that we're gonna do.
Tassara, I don't even know what style you're doing.
So for this style, because her ends are a little bit finer, I like to add extensions. So the type of extensions I'm gonna use is from this brand called Outre, which I will put a link down below for you guys to look through. And I'm just gonna take a small piece, maybe about this thick, and I'm gonna split it into 2 pieces. So each piece is about this thin. We're gonna take it from the front of her hair, split it into 3 sections. Once I grab my lock, I will take a strand of these extensions and put it in. I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna stick it right in as if it's seamlessly gonna be braided. And I like to braid under. So as you can see, these are the 3 strands. Grab it from the left, bring it into the middle, grab it from the right and bring it to the middle. All right, so here's a close-up so you can see it a bit closer of what I'm doing. Take a small section from the front, comb it through, split it into 3 sections. Before you start your braid, you're gonna take a piece of the hair and you're gonna add it in. You're gonna do the same thing with this one. You're gonna add it in. Sorry, Mom. Right here. And as you braid, you add the hair. So the further back you go, you just keep picking up the hair and adding it to the middle strands. All right, guys, so we finished the braids and now we're gonna be adding the string. So basically the strings are those like little strings you can get from like Michael's or Jones, your local little arts and crafts store. And basically what I do is I take different color strings and I wrap it around the braid and crisscross it. And this style can last you up to 7 days or more, depending on how you take care of it. Just in case you're curious. But you guys look, so the beauty of this braid is that it gives you a natural facelift and it makes you look snatched. So look at my mom's face. Like you would never guess her age because her skin looks so good and pulled.
Yeah.
Can't you tell, Mommy?
Yeah, I can tell. Maybe you should do all through here like this.
And when I head to the bottom, I just tie it up in a knot. Just a simple knot. So I'm gonna show you guys how I add the other string. So this is what it looks like. I put 3 different colors, but you can't probably really tell. And what I do is I'm gonna wrap it. So you're gonna make sure it's centered. And you're gonna wrap it around. All right, so we're at the last braid. So I'm gonna do the color blue, not naturally because this is gonna be a rainbow. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna wrap it. All right, you guys, we're finally done with this look. If you guys can see, we added some colorful strings to her braids and we just curled this side. How cute is her hair? If you guys are looking to have a vacation vibe and if you guys are looking to book this style, visit my website. I put the link down below. And if you want this style is called the vacation braids. So thanks guys so much for watching. I'm excited to share more different hairstyles with you guys. And yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks guys. Thanks Mom.
Mwah.